scheduling and the phasing approach worked very well for us. So we were able to close the old arenas, the new arenas were ready to go, and then we moved ourselves so that into the concourse area where we are, the pools, and we're still finishing up the final phase, which is to redo the original dressing rooms on the swimming pool, the Olympic-sized pool. But the community didn't feel any effects. They didn't feel a negative impact. They weren't removed from the facilities they were used to until the new ones were ready, and then they got the excitement of being able to move right into these fantastic new facilities. Well, a project like this, which was phased, and you have old arenas, new arenas being built, old arenas coming down, functioning new arenas but still not developing, and then across the entire project is a functioning pool. So you had people coming and going all over this work site, and not one time did we have an issue or a concern about safety. It was always professionally done. Actually, and you know, I mean, I see a lot of construction projects over the years as mayor, and one of the things that struck me, and I mentioned this to a couple of people, is how clean and organized the work site is. Because you get a project like this, and often you see piles of stuff here, piles of stuff there, but not one time in this project were things not properly laid out, and you would go in there and you know that work was being done, and it was being done in an orderly fashion. So, and as much as that might not be something that people really care about, I noticed it, and I had to make comment about it because I like that. It demonstrates that the work's being done, and it's being done from the second they get to the site to the second they go home at the end of the day, and it's all well organized and scheduled perfectly.